How to sell crypto on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your crypto application. You shall get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the crypto logo that you'll find at the bottom of your screen in the middle. Once you tap on it, you'll get various options. Under trade, you can see the option that says crypto wallet. So you want to tap on your crypto wallet and you'll be able to see all the crypto that you have. Now select a particular crypto that you want to sell. So in my case here, you can see simply tap on one of your crypto. I'll just select Bitcoin, and then what you want to do is under Bitcoin balance, you'll find the sell option. You know, simply tap on sell option there, and once you tap on sell, it'll ask you to enter in the amount that you want to sell and other details you want to add in. That it'll ask you for confirmation. Simply tap on confirm and your order will be placed. So this way you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.